This is a video on how to use a coffee percolator. Make sure it's off. As you can see here is your water level to how many cups you want. Next we want our water in. You want to do this fairly careful because as you can see the top of the coffee pot, if you tip too quick it will actually... Now if I was to tip that quick now, that would shoot all down the side of the coffee maker. So you just pour it carefully to how many cups you want. Once it goes down a certain amount it ain't too bad. You can see the level from the outside. See that bobbing up and down? I'll go up to the max. Next you're going to want to put your pot back. That has a springy valve on the bottom, so that when you push it in it can release the coffee when it's coming through. You don't switch it on at this stage, obviously. This one you can, it's got a little nozzle which basically will throw it back into the chamber there. Next we're going to want our filters. One filter, they do sit in a bit better. So there's your filters. You can get them from Tesco's, any supermarket really, most of them. And coffee, depending on your like of coffee, you've got a rating of 1 to 5, 5 being very strong, 1 being weak. The spoon does about 1 tablespoon level, just over. So now we're putting our coffee in. Let's say about 1 of them level per person. I find, 3, 4 is sufficiently enough. I like a strong coffee. You'll find it's over strong if you do it much more than that. It's hard to really tell, but I would say that's probably a quarter of that full of that filter. So about quarter, just over, will be fine. Then we flick the lid and then she's ready to turn on. Yeah, basically only make what you need, because if you make a full pot and it's sitting there for a while, you're going to find out that it'll burn the coffee. So if you need 2 cups, make like 2 cups worth. If you need like a full pot, if you've got people round, then full pot's good. But I just wouldn't leave it sort of standing there for too long, because it tends to burn after a while, and that ruins a coffee and it ruins the taste. This is Tony, thank you for watching my video on how to make a perfect cup of coffee.